Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will show you how to add a GIF message to your starred messages in WhatsApp on PC. If you want to save and easily access your favorite GIFs, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your PC by double-clicking on the app icon. Step 2. Once WhatsApp is open, go to the chat where the desired GIF message is located. Step 3. Right-click on the desired GIF message. A menu will appear with different options. Step 4. From the menu, choose the star option to add the GIF message to your starred messages. Step 5. Alternatively, you can double-click on the GIF message to open it in a larger view. Step 6. Once the GIF message is open, click on the star icon located in the top right corner of the screen to star the message. By following these quick and easy steps, you can add a GIF message to your starred messages in WhatsApp on PC. This way, you can easily find and access your favorite GIFs whenever you need them. We hope this tutorial has been helpful to you. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.